Today, I found an amazing product on Etsy that's generating sales. So open up your laptop and let's analyze it and create it together. If we go directly to the listing, we'll see that this product is currently sitting in more than 20 shopping carts, and the seller is offering it for around $2.50. The product is called an emotions puzzle for kids. And if you pay close attention, you'll notice that this seller has earned the best seller badge, which means they've been selling this product extremely well over the past 6 months. Now, if we take a closer look at the product itself, you'll see that it's actually very simple. Each page contains an emotion face that the child cuts into 2 halves. After that, the child has to find the matching half of the face and put them together. This helps children learn emotions and feelings in a fun and interactive way. So, let's create our own version. To design this product, the process is incredibly easy. I'll head straight over to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a list of emotions for me. It will instantly provide all the emotions I'll need for my design. I added 5 brand new products to my 80-book bundle, and if you scroll down, you'll see that I've included 5 secret products inside the collection. Now here's the best part. I didn't want only buyers to benefit, so I made product number 1 and product number 11 from these secret items available for everyone. So if we click on product number 11, it will open directly with me here on Canva, and you'll see that this product is called Ladybug Matching Activities. The first page of this product contains ladybugs, and each one has a number from 1 to 9. Then, if we go to the second page, you'll find 9 red circles, and each circle contains a number of dots, also from 1 to 9. This activity is very simple, but I'm 100% sure it can generate a lot of sales on Etsy. For example, the child will go to the second page, cut out one of the circles, let's say the one with 4 dots, then go back to the first page and search for the ladybug with the number 4, and stick the red circle with 4 dots onto it. And just like that, the child learns numbers, how to match them, and how to count in a very easy and fun way. And the final look of the first page is actually beautiful. I personally really loved this activity, even though I'm the one who created it. And it doesn't stop there. You can easily duplicate the first page and continue the numbers. You don't have to limit yourself to just 2 pages of this activity. I'm simply giving you ideas with these secret products, so you can expand and create your own unique versions. Now, if we go back to the 15 secret products, I also left product number 1 available for everyone. And if we click on it, it will open here on Canva as well. This product is also amazing, and it focuses on numbers from 1 to 10 across 10 pages. The first page is for number 1, and then moves to a fun exercise below. The instruction says, cut 1 apple from the apples at the bottom and paste it onto the tree. So the child cuts 1 apple and places it on the tree, representing the number 1. Then if we go to the second page, it's for number 2. The child learns how to write number 2 and then moves to another fun activity below. The exercise says, cut 2 fish from the bottom and paste them into the fishbowl. I didn't complete all the pages. I just left you ideas so you can easily finish the rest from 1 to 10. All you have to do is continue with the same pattern as the first and second pages, and that way your product becomes unique, and you won't have identical listings competing with each other. Now going back to my 80-book bundle, it's no longer just 80 books. It's a complete collection of 80 full books, and each book contains around 30 pages. You can easily edit everything, whether on Etsy or using Photoshop. You'll receive the files as PDFs and fully editable Canva templates. And I'm confident that if you get this bundle, it can generate amazing sales for you, whether on Etsy or Amazon. Because this collection was built very professionally over the past months, and it reflects more than 7 years of experience in this field. And the best part, it includes all types of trending kids books. Literally any book you can imagine, you'll find it inside this bundle. Plus, you can easily combine these books together to create completely new products, enough to sell on Amazon for at least 2 years. Just imagine opening your own store on Etsy or Amazon and selling more than 100 books. I'm telling you, you can generate hundreds of sales from these products, and it gets even better. I add new products to this bundle every single month, and they're available to anyone who purchases the bundle at any time. The price will definitely increase in the coming days because right now it's heavily discounted. And honestly, the 15 secret products alone are worth more than the full bundle price. I carefully researched them, and I'm sure they will sell very well on Etsy. I've already added 15 Etsy-focused secret products so far, and the latest 5 were just released today. These products are kept secret so they remain exclusive to buyers, giving them a real advantage over others in the market. I'll leave the bundle link in the description and in the pinned comment. Get it now, you won't regret it. Every dollar you invest in this bundle can come back multiplied many times. I'm absolutely sure of that. And sorry for taking a bit long. Now let's jump straight into designing the product we saw at the beginning of the video. Once I have that list, I'll jump into Canva and create a design with dimensions of 8.5 by 11 inches. Each page will contain approximately 4 emotions. I'll go into the shape section and add a square shape. Then I'll apply a stroke with a thickness of 2 and change the square's fill color to white so the inside remains empty. Next, to create the dividing line that splits the square into 2 halves, I'll simply press the letter L on my keyboard to insert a line. I'll convert that line into a dashed line, rotate it 90 degrees, and position it right in the center of the square. Just like that, the square is now divided into 2 equal halves. Now I'll press the letter T on my keyboard to add text. This is where I'll type the name of the emotion, such as happy, sad, or any other emotion from my list. I'll place that text at the top of the square. At this point, the process becomes very easy. I'll duplicate this square several times until I have 4 squares on the page, and then I'll resize them so they fit nicely within the page layout. Next, I'll return to ChatGPT and copy the first emotion, which is happy. Then I'll go back to Canva, open the Elements section, and search for Happy Kid Face. You'll find lots of fantastic graphics available. I'm going to choose this smiling girl illustration and place it in the center of the first square. And just like that, we've completed our first emotion. Using the exact same method, I'll go back to ChatGPT and copy the second emotion, which is sad. Then I'll return to the Elements section and search for Sad Kid Face. You'll find plenty of options there as well. Simply choose the one you like and place it in the center of the second square. And don't forget to add the word sad at the top of that square. Once again, I'll return to ChatGPT and copy the third emotion, angry. Then I'll select a matching face illustration that I like and place it inside the third square. I'll continue repeating this same process until the entire design is complete and all of the emotions have been added. After we finish the first page, all we need to do is duplicate the page, remove the existing graphics, and continue adding new emotions using the same workflow. Once everything is finished, we'll download the file as a PDF. And you already know how to list and sell it on Etsy. I hope you found this video helpful and got some valuable ideas from it. You'll find the special discount link for my bundle of 80 books in the pinned comment below. Go check it out and grab it today. It can be a huge help on your Etsy and Amazon journey. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in a brand new video very soon. Take care and goodbye.